So let's have our essay class, and we start essay writing with some important terminologies that we use in essay as well as in other subjects. So that will be an interactive session. Please write a comment that essay must be written academically plus literally, academically with literature, with literary terms, and personal experiences. So three things are important for essay writing. Essay must be written academically, comma, with literary devices, and the third item is personal experiences. So when you have these three things together, it becomes essay. Thank you, Sikandar, for your comment. If I'm not visible, so please write. Otherwise, like this video broadcast. So essay must be written academically with literary terms and personal experiences. Three important points we have here: academically, literary terms, and personal experiences. Rajput. Plural, singular. Right, next topic, next comment: singularity and plurality, that is the bedrock of grammar. Write a comment: singularity and plurality is the bedrock of grammar. Singularity and plurality, that is the bedrock. Another important dimension, that is feminine and masculine, male and female. But singular, plural, that is the bedrock. You must have discernment. Please write this word. I must have discernment. Discern. D-I-S-C-E-R-N. Discernment. Discernment means perspicacious approach. Perspicacity. Perspicacity. Discernment. The high quality of consciousness. Discernment. Discernment. Discern. Differentiate. Discriminate. So singularity and plurality is the bedrock of grammar. Discernment, distinguishing. Perspicacity, perspicacious. Perspicacity. Perspicacity means clear-headedness, clear picture. So singular, plural, very important. We know what is singular and what is plural, but when it comes to writing, so we miss. So are you ready for the test? Let's see who is the top position holder today. Last night, our top position holder was Sikandar and Amara. Izagul and Bhatti, they competed for the top 4 positions. Let's see who is the hero of today. And today you have 81 words. You have 81 words. And how many are the essay terminologies? Anybody can tell me? The essay terms, how many they are? I have written above in the title. So let us have the test. You have 81 words. Please write it. Today the competition is for 81 words. I think there are 14, or how many are the terms? I don't see it. How many terms are there? Can anybody copy paste the title of the lecture? I don't see it because I can't type. 21 essay terminology. Thank you. Mamuna Manzoor. Thank you. Essay, yes. Terminologies. You know, this is singularity and plurality. Ume Zainab Awan. 24 complete sentence. Essay terminologies. 31. Rajput says 31. Somebody says 24. Aruj Saeed. Write more. 24 terminologies. So are they 24 or 31? Okay, let's see. It is huge work. You know, your shoulders may be breaking, I know. So how many of these are Salim Khan? Define, analyze, evaluate, critically examine, demonstrate, justify, assess, describe, elaborate, explain, explore, discuss. People say 31. Maybe I have counted wrong. Are these 34 or 31 or 24? Count it quickly. Tell me the exact number. Because these are benchmarks. Benchmarks. Today when you go to sleep, so you are satisfied that 24 essay terminologies and 81 words, save 1 articles, 1 paragraph for evaluation. Oh, I am so tired. So you will enjoy your sleep. Thank you, Nilam Akbar, but please write a complete sentence. There are 24 terms. So Sikandar says 23. Okay, no problem. So achievement, you know, accomplishment. When you accomplish things, you are so happy. You feel actual, real. Self-actualization. So last night our winners, they were Sikandar and Amara, Izagul and Bhatti competed. So today, let's see that who is going to win this competition. Okay, we start from the essay terminologies. You have to write briefly, very briefly. No copy paste, because I have the screen in my front. So I will not allow you to copy paste. If I catch someone plagiarism, copying, pasting, so that will be the last day. Please. We cannot compromise on morality. You don't know, that's all. But cheating, telling lies, no. So anybody can tell me that what is justify. For example, there is a term justify. What does it mean? Justify the following. Justify the stance of Pakistan and Kashmir. Justify the role of United Nations in Iraq. Justify. What does it mean? Technically. You have very limited time, few seconds. When you have to justify, what you have to do? Justification. I am writing the names and your marks. You can contest. You can argue with me if I make a wrong judgment. Justify. It means to prove. Writing the essay with the help of Reza Buddh. Proof. Proof. Proof is noun, proof is verb. Mamuna Manzoor. Evidence. Aruj. Explain the argument in a convincing manner by giving facts. arguments about the Kashmir issue either in favor. Justify. What does justify means? Anybody remembers the article, or you are just writing without the article? I have given you the definition of these 24 or whatever number of terms. Do you remember the exact? Amir Khan means that what was given, either it is right or wrong. So those people who said convincing, basis of argument. Anybody can copy paste quickly. Do I have a smart person who can copy paste the definition from the site? Smart, quick, intelligent person. So what is the definition of justify? So Neelam Akbar says she does not remember the exact wording. Basically, it is reading comprehension question also. Reading comprehension. Do not concoct. Please write the word concoct. C-O-N-C-O-C-T. Concoct. Concoct means make things up. Just make things. Concoct. In academic professional writing, you cannot concoct. You have to write exactly what it is. Professionalism. No concoction. Concoct. No concoction. So I lost the... Anybody who can himself or herself tell me that I was right. I lost the... Because it is definition. It is not just meaning. And with justify questions words, you need to explain the basis of your argument by presenting the evidence that informed your outlook. In such answers, you need to present your evidence in a convincing way, demonstrating good reasons for adopting your position. Also, you may want to consider arguments that are contrary to your position before stating a conclusion to your arguments. This will help present a balanced argument and demonstrate wide knowledge of the literature. Here, a critical approach becomes crucial. You need to explain why other possible arguments are unsatisfactory, as well as your own particular arguments is preferable. So, complete, definition of justify. So let us leave this question, and next one. This was without competition. So the next question is that what is define? When we say define, what does it mean? Definition. What is the definition of definition? Define. But from not your own definition of definition, what the website told us. What is definition? Define. Can a definition be contested? And if it is contested, what you have to do? I hope I am visible and audible. What is the definition of definition? When the examiner tells you define, what does it mean? Explain the meaning of the topic given and give different meanings. Anybody can copy paste the definition from the website. Here you must outline the precise meaning of the subject of the question. Precise meaning. The limits, yes. Shah Saif member, limits. That's a good word. To provide the limits, scope. Define means the accurate, It means to close us. Forget about Izagul, come to the ground. You are always in the sky. To close a sea in a jug. Exact definition. Did you read this website or not? मैंने सुबह आपको ये वेबसाइट दिया था कि इसको पढ़ ले, so that we can have professional discussion. Okay, now complicated question. This question will decide the winner of this round. What is the difference between explain and explore? When we say explain the following and we say explore the following, what is the exact difference? Explain the following and explore the following. Let me see who can differentiate this. Explain and explore. Just tell me the difference in one sentence. Time is over. If you have commented and I have not seen, so give me a signal. It may be internet problem. What is the difference between explore and explain? Explain the complete details and interpretation which are already known. Explore to know the unknown meanings. Elucidating something by giving reason of evidence. Examine or evaluate are totally different. Basically, in explore, you have detached, dispassionate tone. Please write it. In explore, you have detached and dispassionate tone. When your tone that is dispassionate, that is detached, when there is no subjectivity, that is called explore. And in explain, you can use your subjectivity, your likes and dislikes. It may not be that much detached and dispassionate. Okay, so the purpose of this discussion so far, I could not identify who is the winner, who is the loser. It's a little complicated. But anybody can share the link where from I'm speaking these things. The link is oxbridgeessay.com. Explain, or you can just write essay question words. Please write the link oxbridgeessays.com. The topic is essay question words. Share the link. Tomorrow or next time we will be having another competition in this, because I feel that you people are not ready. You are just using your mind, but you are not using the. Thank you, Aruj Saeed. Excellent. Smart person. Hina Khan, thank you. Very good. So this is the link. Please read, and from this link you will understand all these terminologies. What is evaluate? What is critically examine? What is critically evaluate? What is review? What is assessment? Discuss, examine. define, demonstrate, describe, elaborate, explain, explore, identify, illustrate, outline, summarize, clarify, compare, contrast. So all these words are here properly explained in an excellent way. This Oxbridge Essays, it is a very good site for your essays development. Now let us go to the next stage of next round of the competition. This will be easy for me because it is word and meaning. Word and meaning. So yesterday we did our 50 words and today we have our 31 words. What is the meaning of anathema? Anathema. Anathema. Spelling and meaning. Anathema. Hurry up. Anathema. Write the spelling. Thank you, Bilal Aziz. Yes, spelling is correct. Now the meaning. Hurry up. We have very limited time and I have to discuss a lot of things. Intensely disliked. Anathema. Yes, Hina Khan. You can write both the meaning and the spelling. Hina Khan is now on the top. She got 1 mark. Because she is the first one that I saw. Mamuna, your spellings are incorrect. Intensely, it is not inertly. Okay, let's go to the next one. Haha, it is very complicated. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. Let's see who can write it first. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. It is out of the 31 words. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. If you give me the meaning, we finish this competition and you are the winner. And let me take tea. Mamuna, anti-disestablishmentarianism. Yes, spelling is correct. Meaning. Next is meaning. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. What is the meaning of it? Matiullah. Being opposed to the withdrawal of support from an established church. Very good. Excellent. So Matiullah got 1 marks. 1 mark, not marks. Mark. Being opposed to the withdrawal of the state support. From what? Establishment. Establishment means that part of the government which is permanent, like army, bureaucracy. It is called establishment because this is the permanent part of the government. Now, disestablishment means that we are separating establishment and religion. Religion has no role in the establishment. No MMA. You know MMA? What is MMA? Anybody? What is MMA? If you tell me, so I'll be so happy. So Matiullah got 1 mark. Okay. So MMA means Mullah Military Alliance. Hafiz Noman. So Hafiz Noman say Mutahidda T. Mohayida no, Mutahidda. Mutahidda Majlis Amal. But basically it is what? Mullah Military Alliance. So when Mullah, church or religion becomes part of the establishment and you want to be a secular person, you want to disestablish. No religion in politics. This is called disestablishment. And when you are against this separation, because you are a religious minded person, you are a mullah, you want no, religion and politics must go together. So this is called anti-disestablishmentarianism. It is a huge word. So far we have Hina and Mutiullah, 1 mark. The next question is alacrity. No religion and establishment is disestablishmentarianism. And when you are against this, when you say that religion and establishment should be together, it is called anti-disestablishmentarianism. अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि मजहब और सियासत या रियासत अलहदा हो जाए, alacrity. No, you have to write both spelling and meaning. Not only spelling, not only meaning, both together. So what is alacrity? Eagerness, yes. Who said eagerness? Zeenat Amin. Amara Mukhtar also alacrity. Eagerness, Hina Khan. First is Hina Khan again. So Hina Khan got 2 marks. Okay. The meaning is eagerness. Eagerness means when you are eager, you have zest and zeal, enthusiasm, interest. You want to do something with alacrity, eagerness. For example, I want you come to class and you say, yes, sir, I am coming. So this is called alacrity. When you are not reluctant. Alacrity is the antonym of reluctance. Do you understand? Alacrity is the antonym of Amar, I don't know what happens with you. I saw here in my Facebook, Hina Khan comes the first. After Neelam Akbar anti-disestablishmentarianism, I see Hina Khan. Let's see next if you win some other mark. So far we have Hina 2 and Mutiullah 1. Reluctance means I don't want. You are not ready. You do not have alacrity. Alacrity means eagerness. Yes, I am ready. Let's go. Okay, another question in your vocabulary. It is easy one, not so difficult. That is clamor. Write quickly. Spelling plus meaning together. Clamor. Clamor. Spelling and meaning together. 1 comment. Now the rule changed. No, Buddha. Total out. 0. Next. Clamor means crying. Hafiz Noman. Almost. Proclaim something noisily. Who said this? Amara Mukhtar. Yes. Tough competition. Amara also got 1 mark. Correct. Okay, next. It is very easy. Let me see who can tell me. Very easy. Construe, like construction, construe. What is construe? Hina 2 marks, Mutiullah 1 mark, Amara 1. Construe. No copy paste, please. I have the original thing here. Construe. Construe. Word and meaning together. 1 comment. Construe. Made something up? No. Interpret. Yes, Sikandar. Correct. Sikandar 1 mark. Finish. Next. Okay. Didactic. 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 Whatever I see for the first time by chance will be the winner. Didactic. Didactic. Hurry up. Didactic. If you have read the article and when I see it, so you say it quickly. Make sense of, assign a meaning to. Write the spelling. Spelling plus meaning. 1 comment. Didactic, to teach, morally, no. Exact meaning. You are right up to some extent, Sikandar. To teach, instruct you, Hina Khan. Yes. Didactic means to teach, but what kind? Aruj Saeed, instruct you with a moral intent. Aruj, please. No copy paste. Otherwise, I give you a mark. Aruj 1 mark. But it is the exact meaning what she says. When you teach, but you want to give a moral lesson, not something academic. Sidra Gulzar also correct, but Aruj got the mark. Next. Egregious. 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 Hina is the winner. I'm going to finish it after a few questions. So far, Hina got 2 marks. Matiullah, Amara, Sikandar, Aruj 1 mark. The next question is egregious. Egregious. Oh, very important word. Anybody? Egregious. Total failure. Surprising, no. Egregious. It seems to be a copy paste, but not correct, no. Outrageously bad, yes, but it should not be copy paste, please. Hina Khan 3 marks. Hina Khan is correct. Very bad. Shockingly bad. Neelam Akbar, yes, correct. Sidra Gulzar, correct. But the mark was given to Hina Khan. Now last two questions. Let us decide who is the winner. Last three questions. Incumbent. Very easy question. Quickly, come on. Who I will see the first here? Who? The one who reached to me first. By chance. I am not telling lies. Incumbent. Incumbent. Spelling meaning. Incumbent. Spelling and meaning, Subhanullah. Are you listening? Spelling plus meaning together in one comment. Amara Mukhtar, yes. Amara Mukhtar is correct. Something morally binding. Amara Mukhtar got 2 marks. Yes, correct. Why we use it for government? Because government has to do it. That's why it is morally binding on the government to do it. It is obligatory. Next question. Mendacious. 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 Spelling plus meaning. Mendacious. Mendacious. I am reading the same which I have given you. Deceitful. Very good. Aruj Saeed, yes, 2 marks. Hina Khan is in danger. Correct. Next, obdurate. 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 Spelling plus meaning. Hurry up, we have limited time. I have to deliver lecture on essay writing also. Obdurate. Spelling plus meaning together. Quickly, hurry up. Anybody? Obdurate. Stubborn. Hina Khan, yes. Hina Khan got 4 marks. So now competition is impossible. Aruj also said stubborn, but I saw Hina Khan first. So we finished this competition. And let us big applause for Hina Khan. She got 4 marks. Matiullah 1, Amara 2, Sikandar 1, Aruj 2. That is today's result. So let us finish this discussion and let's go to the next topic, which is essay writing. I have given you all these articles. So please read these articles. 31 words. And then in the 31 word, there is no meaning. You have to find out the meaning. There is only pronunciation. In the 50 words, there is meaning. There is no pronunciation. And then you have these essay terms, which you have to master. There will be a second competition in the essay terminologies. These essay terminologies you can use in another place as well. Current affairs. If in the current affair the question is evaluate, assess, analyze, critically examine, discuss. So these have different meanings. लोगों के मार्क्स क्यों कमाते हैं? वो हर चीज के बारे में वही जवाब देता है. That's why people they don't pass CSS or PMS. कि जब आपको कहते हैं डिस्कस और आपको कहते हैं इवैल्यूएट, इसमें फर्क है, ये दोनों एक चीज नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई यू डू नॉट गेट एक्सेलेंट मार्क्स. So about the essay writing, you have to explore this group. We have discussed everything about essay writing. Now let us start once again from the definition of essay, that what is an essay? What is an essay? Can anybody define essay? Hurry up. What is the definition of essay? Definition of essay. When you sit in the essay examination, next Saturday will be your essay writing weekly exam. So you must know that your essay must have idioms. Your essay must have idioms. Literary and academic piece of writing based on facts and research. Amy. Hafiz Noman attempt. Amy. ये क्या बात है? What is essay? Anybody who remember my definition of essay writing? So in the weekly exam or in the daily paragraph writing, when you want to write an essay, so there must be an idiom. There must be a figure of speech. Simile, metaphor. Please write it. Idiom, simile, metaphor, personification. Tomorrow there will be a test in the figures of speech, like this what we are doing now. I will be giving you reading material also. Tomorrow is Sunday, but next time when we have a class, so the competition will be in the figures of speech. A literary write-up in which writer expresses her opinion on a particular topic, substantiate it in a particular format, is called. Not comprehensive definition. Idiom, simile, metaphor, personification, synecdoche. There must be one or all these. Then it becomes essay. Otherwise, it is current affairs or Pakistan affairs. Proverb, quotations, जिसमें proverbs होते हैं, quotations होते हैं, similes, idioms, metaphor, personification, उसको ऐसे कहते हैं. These are literary devices. जब ये चीजें नहीं होती तो वो करंट अफेयर्स और पाकिस्तान अफेयर है. अगर ये चीजें उसमें हो, then that is called essay. आपने बड़ा खूबसूरत पैराग्राफ लिखा, डेटा, फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स, रेफरेंसेस, एविडेंस, वेरी गुड, academic. But please write some idiom somewhere in the middle. Then it becomes essay. Very simple. ये किसने लिखा? हिना खान. हिना खान को क्या हो गया आज? क्या खाया तुमने? हमें भी बताओ. Excellent. This is the exact comprehensive definition of essay. मतलब एग्जामिनर जब आपको मार्क्स देता है तो किसी वजह से देता है. ये आएं दाएं बाएं शाएं मारना जो है वो नहीं होता. Essay is a short literary academic composition of analytical, narrative, expository, argumentative or another type in which the writer presents, इस आपने छोड़ा है, the writer presents his point of view in a non-systematic, non-technical way from a limited personal point of view. क्या बात है जी. एक दफा दोबारा. आज हिना खान का सितारा चमक गया. मजा आता है जब इस तरह के कोई जवाब बंदा देखता है तो मजा आता है. टीचर की हैप्पीनेस यही है, टीचर किस चीज़ से खुश होता है? आपके चमचो ममचो से, सर जी, जनाब जी, मैं आप पे मरता हूँ, आप मेरे लिए माँ बाप, गुरु, ये वो ऐसे हवाई ड्रामे। एकेडमिक काम करो, रियल काम। ये जो हिना खान कर रही है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एकेडमिक, रियल वर्क, प्रोफेशनल, 100% करेक्ट, ना आगे ना पीछे, ना ऊपर ना नीचे। This makes the teacher happy. So Hina Khan, please copy paste it 4 or 5 times so that everybody can see it. This is the definition which I have given you many times. और ये जो पुराने बाबी इधर बैठे हैं, सबको मैंने 50 दफा दिया है, लेकिन वो भूल जाते हैं, वही चक्कर में पढ़ते पुराने जो उसको टीचर ने बताया है प्राइमरी क्लासेस में। मेरा डेफिनेशन उनके साथ चिमटता ही नहीं है। इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू चेंज अनकॉन्शियस। बंदे के लाशऊर को चेंज करना जो है बहुत मुश्किल है। So this definition tells us that essay is a short literary academic composition. Literature plus academic. Short means it is not a big book. It is not a research thesis. Composition means coherence and cohesion. What is composition? Composed, solid, consolidated. Analysis, narration, exposition, argumentation, point of view of the author, systematic, non-systematic, non-technical. It means it is literary, it is not scientific, it is not current affairs. एसे में और नॉन एसे में फ़र्क ये है कि एसे जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा सिस्टमेटिक नहीं होता, चूंकि ये लिटरेरी है। अदबी लोग जो है वो पागल होते हैं। अब एक मूवी है, एक फिल्म आप देखते हैं, तो फिल्म में आखिर से फिल्म शुरू हो जाती है, और जी हीरो को मारा गया, फिर जाते हैं ऊपर जो हीरो पैदा होता है, बढ़ जाता है, शादी करता है, बच्चे पैदा होते हैं। तो ये नॉन सिस्टमेटिक है, नॉन टेक्निकल है, क्योंकि ये लिटरेरी है। ऐसे टू अंडरस्टैंड ऐसे इज अ ह्यूज टास्क। ये बड़ा मुश्किल काम है कि भाई ऐसे क्या है, व्हाट इज ऐसे एंड व्हाट इज नॉट इन ऐसे। So there must be some idioms, proverbs, quotations, similes, metaphors, personification, synecdoche. All these are figures of speech. Parts of speech, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, that is parts of speech. Figures of speech, that is simile, metaphor, idiom, synecdoche, personification, pun, P-U-N, pun, alliteration, all these are figures of speech. So before our next essay class, I give you the assignment to read figures of speech in our textbook, Exploring the World of English. Exploring the World of English is our textbook. Tomorrow I'll be giving you textbooks for all subjects in the safe WhatsApp groups. But today I'm announcing our first textbook, and that is Exploring the World of English. And there you have to read the chapters on figures of speech. Write it. Please write a comment. My assignment is to read the chapter of figures of speech in the safe textbook called Exploring the World of English. Now you have any question about essay, so please ask quickly, any short quick question. Otherwise, see you in philosophy department. Read all the 3 links of vocabulary, terms, and figures of speech. That is our next target. Exploring the world of English. I don't see your comments. There may be some internet issue. My assignment is to study, not read, study. Amir Khan, my assignment is to read the chapter of speech in the textbook of Exploring the World of English. Amir Khan, write complete sentence. Professionalism means no mistake. Exploring the world, the English, no, the world of English. Exploring E capital, because it is a proper noun. This is called professionalism. My assignment is to read the chapter of figures of speech of Exploring E capital, the world of English. English E capital, Hafiz Noman. Amir Khan, figures, it is not one figure. Singularity and plurality are very important. The way Reza Budh has written, Exploring the World of English. This is called professionalism. No mistake. Zainab Awan, my assignment is to read the chapter. I told you singular plural, singular plural, singular plural. Figures of speech, because there are so many figures, there is no one. Figures of speech in the textbook of SAFE, Exploring E capital, W capital, English E capital. Had. English is a proper noun. How can you write it with small e? Right, everybody. This way you make your composition correct. Sikandar, my assignment is to read a chapter, the chapter, not a chapter, the articles. A chapter, what does it mean? Write it again. The chapter, because there is one particular specific chapter. The chapter of Exploring the World of English by Saadat Ali Shah. Yes, that is good edition. Name of the author is Sayyid Saadat Ali Shah. Mamuna, my assignment is to study the chapter of figures of speech in the textbook of Exploring the World of. In the textbook, then you may remove the of Exploring the World of English. You may add also, it's not a big deal, but without of it will be more elegant. My assignment is to study the chapter figures of speech. Kya baat hai ji, bande ne dil khush kiya. Sidra Gulzar, double quotations. Professionalism, excellent, very good. I love professionalism. When you write something with professional touch, it is so beautiful, attractive, captivative. From the SAFE textbook, Exploring the World of English. Skeptical Khan, my assignment is to study the chapter of figures of speech in the textbook Exploring the World of English. W also capital, world, because it's the name of a book. Budh, Amir Khan, chapter of figures of speech in the textbook. Thank you very much. Basically, this is your practice. Practice. Repetition, repetition, repetition. So we absorb the idea. Otherwise, it is quite complicated. Do you have any curiosity, any question about essay writing? We have still 2-3 minutes. Any question regarding essay writing? Bilal Aziz, figures, correct. Sir, I have serious network issue. Comments appears to me before you speak. Then how can I participate in daily competition? So Iza Khan, how could you write this comment and I am reading it? Why not before? How to be coherent in essay writing? Cohesion means physical connection. Cohesion means physical connection. Coherence means psychological connection. Please write it. Coherence, physical connection. Sorry, cohesion, yes. Physical connection. Coherence, psychological connection. Physical connection means words are connected, sentences are connected, paragraphs are connected. Psychological connection means that every sentence is connected to thesis statement and topic sentence. We will discuss this in detail. Sunny Prince. Can I quote twice in an essay paragraph? What do you mean twice? The same quotation 2 times? No. No and no. In the whole essay, you can give 3-4 quotations. Can we prepare our essay from the Dawn articles? Yes. Essay you can prepare from anywhere. You can quote thrice, 4 times, 5 times quotations, not the same quotation. You have to change the quotation. Iza Khan, please work on your this internet issue. We will be changing a little format also. Maybe it is more in writing than speaking. However, let's improve things. Grammar lecture will be in the SAFE 5. You already missed. Go to SAFE 5 and a lot of lectures on grammar are there. And we will be giving you more lectures on grammar in SAFE 5. This is SAFE essay. Here we are discussing essay writing. In SAFE 5, we are discussing grammar. And then we have SAFE Précis and composition. We have 3 classrooms for English. SAFE 5, SAFE essay, SAFE Précis and composition. So all the best. If you have opted philosophy or not, come to philosophy so that you become critical thinker. Philosophy is basically the training of critical thinking.